what we have doing so far is creating variables and outputting text. Outputting these texts. When we do that, inside of Ruby, it refers to that text as something called a string. A string is a series of text-based characters. We have been creating strings by putting what we want to say in quotes. There are a bunch of different ways to create strings in Ruby. You need to know that there is a limit for the size of the strings, but that limit is really big. On a modern computer, a string can hold about 9 quadrillion characters. We don't really need to concern ourselves with the limit of the size of the strings right now. It's just good to know that there is a limit. So let's go ahead and see some different ways to creating strings now. So here we are in our workspace, and if you have been following along, we have the hello.rb file up. Up here on top, we have please enter your name with a colon. And this text inside those quotes is just a string. Well, just remember, run the program again, and it prints please enter your name. If I want, I can also write this string with single quotes instead of double quotes. Save and see the results. And the result is the same. However, there is a big difference between single quotes and double quotes in Ruby. If we try to write this string in single quotes, let's check what happened. Okay, let's get out of this program and run again. Say here's Sebastian. Damn, so it printed exactly the string I just had here. So what happened is that the name variable was not evaluated or replaced with its value because it's in single quotes. Now, the editor or some editors, text editors, have some help for this. So if we write again in double quotes, you will see that this section changed from yellow to white. In some text editors could be different, but it's just the same concept. But why it's changing from yellow to white? Well, the answer is because in single quotes, the variable or this annotation is not evaluated. Ruby just understands that we want to print exactly what is here. But with double quotes, we are telling Ruby that we want to replace the variable name with its value just in this place of the string. When we are working with strings, if we want the variable to come out, we have to use double quotes. This is called interpolation. In addition to the single quotes and double quotes, I could use this way of write the string. Just %q %q. So if we try to run the program again, %q also does not interpolate the variable. However, if I change this q to an upper q and try to run again the program, let's see what happened. Voila! And it's printed my name, so it means that with the uppercase q, it's interpolating the variable. So you will notice that I used parentheses here. So in Ruby we can use any kind of character as opening and closing characters, like pipe maybe. So let's try to run again the program, and it's interpolating, so it does not matter which character you use for close and open your string in this notation. But you won't see this too much when working with Ruby code. However, it is good to know that it exists. We can also have a string with different lines. So I'm gonna put here, okay, so let's remove these, and here in the name I'm just gonna put double quotes here and add enter. So I'm gonna type my 3 lines string here. Okay, and if we save and try to run the program, it's gonna print the 3 lines. So hello, okay, but just for see it much more cleaner, I'm going to remove this and only print the interpolated variable. So save, no. Okay, so it's printing my 3 line string here, but actually it's printing 4 lines here. So let's delete the extra. Okay, now it should print only 3 lines. Okay, it's printing 3 lines. Now this shortcut, so I'm gonna type this 2 less than symbols, and I'm gonna type string in uppercase word, and here I'm gonna close it here. I'm gonna delete these double quotes. Sorry, okay. And I'm gonna type the word string in uppercase, capital string again, and I'm gonna make it here and enter. Okay, so save and run again the program. So it printed, okay, just maybe you didn't see it well. Okay, it printed the same. So this is another way to write multiple line strings. Well, we can use any word here. So whatever and whatever. So let's save and try again, and it's working. So it starts to interpret the string from here to here. So we're telling Ruby, ignore this word, but use it as opening and closing. So this is my string and this is my opening. This is my closing and this is my open. This is the syntax we are writing here. So I'm gonna do something. So let's say, sorry, string. I'm gonna name this variable string. I'm gonna create another variable called my name in quotes, double quotes, Sebastian. Okay, so taking in account in these concepts, in these concepts, we can interpolate a variable inside another variable, like this. Okay, so let's see what happens if we try to run the program again. Okay, so it's printing. Oh, I forgot to change the. So instead of print the variable name, I'm gonna interpolate string variable. So okay, save and run again. So what happened? Okay, so it's interpolating here. So we can use this notation. You're gonna see later why we need this notation in some cases. Or we just can type here double quotes and it's gonna work again. So, but I okay, but here you are. Okay, so I have this. My three lines string interpolate the variable name. Here and print the variable string. So in double quotes this time. So it works again. Go ahead and try that yourself. Play with these, changing names, different names, and even different values inside of the string. Add a short quiz, so don't forget to take the Ruby quiz. The link is in the annotation on the video or is in the description of this video. As always, don't forget to follow me on Bastionlandia, follow racekarate.com, follow us on Facebook, Race Karate. Always keep an eye on racekarate.com, and of course subscribe to our channel. If you subscribe, we can keep uploading more videos. See you next video.